What? We got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army Surplus Warehouse. Feel free to check them out. Army Surplus Warehouse. They have a large variety of items. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. They did attach a manifest to the outside in a little clear stick-on envelope. So let's see what we got here. Alright, let's see how we can get this open. Let's see what we got. Looks like we have some paper. Pull packing paper off of a roll. Make a nice target there. So let's see, in no particular order. Put this off to the side here. We have an Arctic Canteen cover, I believe. So has US marking on the front there. Should have 2 snaps. Okay. A little bit of dust coming out of there. Actually, it might be some of the oxidation flaking off a little bit there. We got a couple of Al's clips. We got cover, water canteen, insulated, DLA number, NSN number. Looks like Martin. Can't quite read that, so I'm not gonna. I'll let you look at that. MARTIN, something else. That's all cut off, and then ink. So probably easily researched. Let's see if it fits at our canteen. Just happen to have here. Is it the right item? Well, I don't know. Maybe without the cup, but it's a tight fit. It may have shrunk, or this may not be it. Let's see if we can get this off. I don't know. I have my doubts, but we can work on that. So get that out of the way. And next we have some manuals. Let's go through these here. So what we have here is M16A1 Rifle Armorer Depot Maintenance and Repair Manual, revised January 1980 from Colt. Colt Manual number CM102. Interesting. Let's see what we got next. Okay. We also have the, it's listed as USMC M16A2 Manual. You can see it's a TM 05538C-23 and P/2. Sure. Table of contents, October 1984. NSN number, TM number on the back. So this isn't a reprint. This is an actual. It looks like. Yeah. Nope. Military press. Okay. So it appears to be a reprint after all. Alright, cool. This one's also military press. Alright, so next one is listed as FAL Light Automatic Rifle Caliber 7.62 Manual. So FAL, FN logo, User's Manual, Light Automatic Rifle Caliber 7.62. Fabrique Nationale Air Style, Société Anonyme, Belgium. This one looks like it's an actual. Cool. Alright, so we got 3 manuals there. And last but not least, a couple of items here. We have 1 dummy inert grenade lemon. So you can see a casting here, unpainted. Looks like a reproduction fuse assembly. It's got the cotter pin, and I'm not sure about springs, but definitely dummy. Alright, so of course now I got the fuse out. Okay, get back in. Yep. Okay. One of those, and I ordered 2 of these. Ah, there we go. Dummy inert grenade, a baseball. So ordered 2 of these ones. You can see the castings there. And the fuse assemblies. They do look pretty aged. And they do have numbers. Both are M228s, MA179Es. And then numeric codes. So you can see there. Pretty cool. So, backtracking. 2 dummy baseball grenades, inert. 1 lemon, inert. Manual wise, we have an FN user's manual for the FAL. Then we have reprints of the M16A2 USMC technical manual. This one's from Military Press. And we have a reprint of the Colt M16A1 rifle, Armor Depot Maintenance and Repair Manual, 1980. This one from 1984. Both of these again from Military Press. And we started off with what was listed as an Arctic Canteen cover, but it appears to be a very tight fit. I might have to work on that. So these all came from Army Surplus Warehouse. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. A little better view there for you. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews, as well as a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.